Project management software can be a game changer for businesses of all shapes and sizes. But for small business owners in particular, it can be difficult to know where to start, especially if you're a newcomer to these kinds of tools. So that's why today I'm going to talk you through 10 of the best hacks that I know to help you get the most out of your project management software. If you want the full lowdown on everything project management, you can check out our comparison breakdown in the description below. We tested out all of the best software on the market. Okay then, ready to get started? Let's jump in. Hack number 1, take advantage of automation. Let's be honest, we've all got enough on our plate without having to worry about those tedious day-to-day tasks that pile up and cut your working week short. So it's a big relief that automation makes up a massive part of project management software. Tools like Monday.com, Asana, or ClickUp have advanced automation features to free you up to focus on important tasks. For example, you can set up an automatic alert to warn you when someone is overburdened and needs a helping hand. Rather than having to manually pore over your employees' workloads, you can create a rule that will do this for you, saving time and boosting morale. It means you can get going with the work that really matters. This one's gonna sound obvious, but color coding can be your best friend. Use colors to separate task types, priority levels, or departments. That way, one glance at the board and you'll know immediately what's going on. Combining color coding with Gantt charts is a really nice way of keeping on top of your tasks. Okay, so these graphs are loved because they clearly show task progress, but they have their fair share of detractors. Some people find it difficult to understand how tasks in a Gantt chart exist in relation to each other, how they work together, and that's where color coding comes in. You can signpost dependencies and measure their individual progress with ease. Hack 3 is all about being smart with user permissions. Maybe you're working on a top secret project with your team, but you want to keep some information on the down low. Not everyone on your team needs access to every little detail. By limiting permissions to key team members, you'll cut down on confusion, clutter, and keep sensitive data secure. For agencies, this is also a super helpful way to shield stuff from your clients, because trust me, there's nothing more annoying than a client meddling with your work before it's finished. With user permissions, even if you have to collaborate on the same board, they'll only see what you want them to see. This one is for the anti-clutter heads. Delete, delete, delete. Over time, unused boards and groups can pile up, making your interface messier than a toddler's art project. But don't let that happen. Archive or delete anything you're not using anymore. If it doesn't spark joy or at least remain helpful, then it's time to get rid of it. All project management tools will offer you the chance to delete things you no longer need or to archive them. And of the two, we recommend archiving, because you never know when you might need to call on something again, and you'll keep that option available with the archive feature. Hack 5, take advantage of AI. These days, AI in project management is all the rage. ClickUp, one of our favorite providers here at TechCo, has unveiled ClickUp Brain. And then there's Monday.com that has Monday AI. And for teamwork, it's the Teamwork.com AI assistant. You get the picture. Left and right, providers are trying to one-up each other with innovative tools to auto-generate tasks, summarize boards, and more. It's just like having a super smart teammate who's always one step ahead of the game. So check out what AI features your software has to offer and give them a try. You can find out more about which AI tools are on offer by clicking the link below. Hack 6, save time with templates. Whether you're managing similar projects or onboarding new team members, templates will free up a ton of time. Most tools have pre-built options, or you can create your own to fit your workflow. Creative briefs, annual plans, retrospectives, you name it. I have a template for everything from content calendars to project kickoffs. I even have one for brainwriting. So they're my secret weapon for staying efficient. If you're new to project management software, take my advice. Create your templates as early as you can. It'll help you get familiar with task types, subtasks, stakeholders, and everything in between. Hack number 7, set up your notifications to work for you. Notifications can be your best friend or biggest headache. So dive into your settings and customize those pings. Focus on the most important task updates, deadlines, and mentions that directly involve you. Then mute the rest. Getting your notifications right will help you keep up to date with everything that's going on while cutting out all of those minor distractions that can massively slow you down. If you use an instant messenger service like Slack, you'll also likely have the option to integrate that with your project management tool of choice. And this is a great way of getting notified instantly when a task changes, but if it's too much, you can just mute it. On to hack number 8, track your time like a pro. Do you ever wonder where your day actually goes? Most PM tools like ClickUp or Toggle have built-in time trackers to log how long you're spending on tasks. Not only does it help you stay on schedule, but it also gives you a really clear idea of where you might be losing time, or if someone is falling behind on a project. For businesses that work on a billable basis, this is a great way of making sure that you're staying on track and not working more or less than the client is paying you for. We're on the home stretch now. Hack number 9. Make your calendar your friend. Keep everyone on the same page, literally, with a shared calendar in your PM software. Schedule regular team check-ins, deadline reminders, or even fun stuff like Pizza Friday. When your team can see what's coming up, it's so much easier for everyone to stay on track. Integrating your project management tool with your calendar provider, like Google Calendar, is a really neat way to pull through detailed information about your employees' schedules. This can be super helpful when allocating work. And finally, we've made it. Hack number 10. Create subtasks for big goals. Big projects can sometimes feel overwhelming, so breaking them into smaller tasks can make everything seem just that little bit more manageable. And trust me, checking off those small wins feels super satisfying. One of our favorite tools for this kind of granular project management is Asana. The platform allows you to attach subtasks to parent tasks and add relevant stakeholders to each subtask. And when something in one of the subtasks changes, everyone in the parent task is notified, and vice versa. It's a really neat way of staying on the same page, especially with evolving projects. So check out more about Asana in the link below. We've also included the ultimate project management ranking guide in the description for this video, so any questions you might have on them, they'll be answered there. Okay, so now it's your turn. Trying out just one of our top 10 hacks is going to help skyrocket your productivity. Don't forget to let us know which ones you found most helpful in the comments. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this video. And hey, to make sure you don't miss the next one, hit the subscribe button and switch on those notifications. Or visit tech.co for more info on the latest tech for small businesses. Until then, remember, every business is a tech business. And hey, have yourself a great day.